Hey, ground from United 1608.
1608 ground?
Yep, that Singapore that's taxiing out, I think he clipped our tail.
Yeah, we've got him stopped. We have we're trying to get a vehicle out to go take a look and see if he actually got it or not.
Yeah, you got his license number? I need his insurance card.
Yeah, no kidding, right?
Yeah.
It must have been pretty gentle because he didn't act like he did anything, so.
Well, and it was right as we're getting a tow in, and it was right as the tug was plugging into the nose, and I just thought that it was the tug hitting our nose wheel.
Yeah, maybe it was just, maybe it's just weird timing, but there doesn't appear to be any damage on Singapore, but we're getting a vehicle out to take a look, so.
Well, I'm sure there's damage on us.
All right.
Ground up 28.
Ops 28 ground?
Yeah, there's signs of contact.
Ops 28, roger.
Singapore 33 Heavy, can you switch over to ground control 121.8, talk to them?
121.8, Singapore 33. Ground Singapore 33.
Singapore 33, it looks like your right winglet possibly struck the United at Foxtrot 11. We would like you to go back to the gate via Fox 1 and Bravo and have a mechanic look at it.
Roger, taxi back, Foxtrot 1, Bravo confirm.
Fox 1 Bravo, and then continue Bravo back to the ramp.
Roger, confirm the gate still remain at Golf 9,
So I don't know what gate they're going to send you to, but...
Roger, we are taxi on Foxtrot 1, Bravo back to the ramp, Singapore 3.